Officer Oil here. When I'm not fighting crime, I'm fighting friction. Here in front of one of my clients' vans, an incredible client, an even better friend, United Service Company. They are great. They've been with me since I started back in 2008. They safely changed their oil with the AMSOIL 100% synthetic XL oil. That's what they love to use. They change their oil anywhere between 10 to 12,000 miles. Never, ever had an issue. They run approximately 250,000 miles on their vans, on their trucks, and then they rotate it out, get some nice new clean vehicles. But when it leaves, there is never ever an issue with that motor. It's not consuming oil, not burning oil. They don't have to top off. Just that great peace of mind and protection. A little bit about them. They do incredible HVAC work. Best HVAC and mechanical company this side of the Mississippi. If you want your house nice and cool in the summer, your beer ice cold, or you're being nice and toasty in the winter, these are the guys to call. United Service Company, right there, 800-950-7020. Make sure you tell them Officer Oil sent you.